Scout 2 to Scout 3, do you copy? I'm getting Imperial comm chatter. You picking this up?
That's odd. This system is supposed to be empty.
I wonder what they're doing out here. Something's not right.
I think we should go in and have a closer look. Let's take some scans.
Roger. We get in, we get out.
Agreed. Plotting the jump in 3, 2, 1.
Star Destroyers! It's the whole blasted fleet! Your recorder's running?
Yep, I'm on it. What's the Empire doing out here?
What's that?
A space station?
It's too big to be a space station.
Watch your tail! Fighters coming in!
Redirect engine power to shield!
Switch your deflectors on! Evasive pattern now! Oh no. R4! Transmit those scans to Yavin! Do it now! Mon Mothma needs to know about this. Do we have confirmation? Did Yavin receive? There's too many ships! Can't plot the shot! What are we gonna do?
Thanks for watching.